history with your bitter twister lies. You sent me to the back of the bus, but I refused. I took a stand. I was involved in the UX civil rights movement and still arise. I was put in jail for having a dream that one day this nation will rise up and leave out the true Minneapolis green. We hold the truth to be safe every day, that all men are created equal. I am Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., a scientist. Racism is not in the schools, not to do the best I can. Tennis players. The key is to unlock the golden door of freedom and still arise. I'm George Washington Carver, a scientist, and still arise. Freedom ring, freedom ring, freedom ring. Arise, arise, arise.
Yay! Oh, we can't clap because you're holding the camera. What's that for? Black History Month. Uh-huh.